Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this quick and easy oven baked coconut rice that you all will love. You can pair it with some fried plantain or any protein of your choice, and you can even add some mixed vegetables if you like. Now let's dive right into the video. So I'm going to start by prepping my ingredients, and I'm using some red onions. You can use any kind of onions you have. You can use some white onions or some yellow onions if you like. Just cut them into small bits and set them aside. I'm also going to be dicing some green and red bell peppers. You are free to add any vegetable that you prefer, or just pour in some mixed vegetables. That would work too. Just cut them into small sizes and then set them aside. Next, I'm going to be cutting 2 yellow habanero peppers. You can also use some scotch bonnet peppers or some ground pepper if that's what you like. And this is just to add some heat. Now I have here my washed rice. I already went ahead to wash my rice several times in cold water until the water ran clear. And using my spatula, I'm just going to level it up and add some coconut milk, some meat stock, my diced bell peppers, chopped onions, habanero peppers, some crayfish powder, garlic powder, some salt to taste, seasoning cube, and 2 bay leaves. Now all I have to do is to mix everything together, and at this point I figured the rice needed a little more water to cook properly, which I've just added. And at this point you can also taste if it is seasoned properly and adjust if you need to. And lastly, I'll be adding some cooking oil, and I'm using some vegetable oil for this recipe, but you can use any type of cooking oil that you have. Next, I'm going to stir everything together, making sure that it is well combined, after which I'll cover with some foil, and I'll place this in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now guys, you will agree with me that this is actually something you can whip up very quickly, and I promise you everyone will enjoy it. So after about 25 minutes of cooking, the rice is ready and it is perfectly cooked. It looks so colorful, delicious, and it smells amazing. Next, using my spatula, I'm going to fluff it up so that some of the steam can escape and it doesn't continue cooking. Just take your time to mix everything together, and after that your baked coconut rice is ready to be served. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already, and also subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my amazing recipes. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.